This is the train, the cog rail that we will be riding. So we go to 𝗍𝗶𝗀𝗃. Hey, this is your color, Aspen? The red color. Woohoo! You having fun? All right, let's get all three of us in this camera. Cogwheel. Yeah, man, we're having fun today. We're gonna go to 𝗍𝗶𝗃. Riding this train. It's about, what is the timing? Like 2 or 3 hours of train ride? Something like that. That's gonna be fun. Okay, can you stand here, Raison? You got what? Go over here. You got what? Tell us about 𝗍𝗃 train ride.
I don't know anything about it.
You didn't do any research?
No.
That's fine. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll be riding that in a little bit. And there's a gift shop here. Yeah, I guess they sell stuff related to this train ride in this place. If you want to ride this train, 𝗍𝗶𝗃 railway. There's the engine that pulls this train. Look forward to having fun here. It's in 𝗪𝗪 Springs. The red train is pretty nice. You see, now I gotta record this beautiful ride of this cog train. Okay, so our card is number 1. Well, let's just say our card or bogey, whatever you want to call it.
It's called
number 1.
Part. Whatever.
Okay, card.
Car, okay. A part or something.
Yeah. Show him our ticket.
Doesn't want to do it, do him and just make it bigger.
Is it because of the... Alright, thank you. How long is the ride?
What was that?
How long is the ride?
Around 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, which way is it? Like, we are over here? Is that us? Cool beans, man. Couldn't. 1, yeah, I didn't get it. Get this one. Oh, yeah,
That's 3. This is 2.
Okay, 3 लिनु पर्ने रहेछ त्यसो भए. Okay, yeah, I made a
Baba,
mistake.
you have to sit next to the aisle.
Okay, Manta, I need to sit over here.
One here.
मैले 3 लिनु पर्ने हुँदा है. 1 थिएन, 3 थियो. I thought this would be better, so I got.
Why don't you see those?
the train driver will sit there, whoever that is. I'm taking the photo there. That's pretty awesome. Okay, we're just waiting for the train master to come, so he starts the train. That's gonna happen around 12 or noon, right?
It's 11:47.
Yeah, we just hopped on the cog train that takes
Pikes Peak.
Pikes Peak. I keep confusing the two. Pikes Peak. Okay.
What is Pete's like?
I don't know. Just silly stuff. Pikes Peak. Yeah?
We do suggest you bring water on your trip as it does help alleviate the altitude change according to 14,115 feet. You do nothing?
No, I'm good. Not right now.
And maybe 30 yards horizontal distance. And it'd be in a completely new direction.
Yeah.
Just incredible that.
Don't make faces. Otherwise you'll be on YouTube.
So how long have you lived here?
I know I
I
will.
moved here from
Yeah.
Connecticut in
You want to look cool. Look.
2009.
With the glasses on.
And I've been climbing mountains ever since.
All right, folks, this is last call.
Yeah, he's going. Go. Kick it off. Yeah.
It's like a field trip.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, not that sound.
Okay, that's not a field trip.
Always thought we should have a proper train horn instead of that.
You should have choo-choo instead of that.
Sounds like a Yaris.
But I was saying the cogwheel is on a suspension system. So it's trying to push down the interface with that rack rail. And all the force that pulls us up the mountain is on those 4 cogwheels.
Okay.
And total area is about 8 square inches, about the size of my hand. That's the contact.
I get you.
Going down, it provides
your feet to get the switch.
when we come down, it provides dynamic braking for us.
So that is why we call it cog train, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I get you. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Huh? You think it's going fast? See? It doesn't say choo choo. Chaga. Huh? Yeah. Sounds like you have a whistle, right? The way that you whistle?
Signals.
Yeah. You having fun? I'm on Facebook Live.
Give me a signal.
Give me a thumbs up if you're having fun.
Hi. Hi, we'll wave.
Someone at my shop should have trained him on how to signal us, so that's all right.
$222.
222. Thank you, sir.
Take.
Hey, that right.
That was my kitty's name. It passed away from cancer. 22. Well, her name was Chimon, but I called her 22 for short. Well, you please didn't like.
Oh, sorry.
So what's it powered by?
It's a diesel electric, so we have a Cummins
Dang
diesel
it, then it hits a
engine.
bell.
Puts out about 500 kilowatts. You can do the math to convert that to horsepower. I used to do it.
Okay.
You should have
And that powers a 4-pole, 3-phase generator, 480 volts. That goes through a converter panel. And then that
I guess you can hardly see anything here. Whoa. I better not get him. Otherwise, I'm gonna fall on you. Sorry. I know.
Okay, at this time I'd like to welcome everybody aboard the Broadmoor Manitou 𝗖ście 𝗴 𝗥𝗶𝗆 Today's journey will take us about 8.9 miles to the summit of 14,115 feet. 𝗖ście 𝗴, otherwise known as America's Mountain. Basically, we'll be going about 7,600 feet from where we are right now, or 1.5 miles as the crow flies. We are one of the world's highest and longest cog railways, and we are the highest and longest cog railway in the Northern Hemisphere. There are only 2 other cog railways in the United States. One is in New Hampshire, and the other one is in Michigan. I'd like to introduce today's crew to you. I am Sue. I will give you a running commentary of things I think you might find interesting along the way. And also, we have David at the front of the train here as our engineer. He'll be getting us safely up and down the mountain. Let's give David a big round of applause.
Oh, did it.
A little bit about us. We have been in business for over 132 years now. And only since June 31st, 1891, and only one time we have not gone up the mountain. And that was between June 17th, that was between 2017 and 2021 when we thought we needed a little bit of a makeover. And a man by the name of Mr. 𝗶𝗶𝗸𝗲 stepped in with some generous funding to the tune of $100 million. We took that money and we built ourselves a brand new shiny set of railroad tracks all the way up to 𝗖ście. We also bought 3 new state-of-the-art trains, one of which you are on right now. And we also refurbished 4 other ones, bringing our fleet to a total of 7 trains. We also remodeled our depot. So if you have an extra $100 million lying around your bank account, well, buy yourself a railroad too. Easier said than done, right?
I can see the city from here, see? No, I'm not. I'm holding it tight. I'm holding it tight. No, I'm not. I'm gonna be fine.
At this time, I'd like everyone to try and take a look to your left. Now try and take a look to your right. Try and take a look to your left again. Try and take a look to your right. Doesn't work very easy because y'all just end up looking at each other. So how I'm going to call off points of interest is I'll call it off the 2-seat side or the 3-seat side. The 2-seat side or the 3-seat side, and it works a lot better that way. So we'll be putting my theory to the test in a few minutes here.